DMT's 70mm diamond stone in either the fine red or the blue coarse is the perfect tool to deburr the side of your skate, whether it's a hockey skate, a figure skate, or a speed skate, between sharpenings and right after a sharpening. Simply take the whetstone, lay it flat on the blade, and glide back and forth, 3 or 4 strokes, light pressure, turn the skate over, dress the other side, and that's the perfect tool to bring your skate edge back in good shape in between sharpenings with the DMT 70mm diamond stone.